Bro, where's my chat? I can't see the chat. Oh. Oh. Bro, why is it doing that? Dude, it's only letting me see my chat if my oh. What is this? Bro, what is going on here? Whoa. There's open. Holy shit. Well, that was a candle, huh? Yeah, that's weird. I can't see my chat on here unless I make it full screen, and I don't want to. My Streamlabs must be bugging. Yeah, we got news in 30 minutes, so don't take anything right now, guys. Well, that's weird. I guess I'll have to. So the 3 minute short, I was looking at this 3 minute short here before open, but I wasn't live, so I can't trade if I'm not live. But again, a lot of movement yesterday or last night, overnight. We're in this 30-minute down here that we inversed, but we didn't continue lower. We just kind of bounced back up, and now we're coming back down. So like we're respecting this 30-minute gap here and this 30-minute below us. So not really the most ideal spot to look for a trade. I kind of want these lows here to get taken, and then maybe down here would be my dream scenario. And then look for a long out of this area down here. Out of this, maybe this 1 hour. Maybe we can sweep these lows and try and get along from either of these 1 hours. Looks like we could be putting in a 1 hour order block down, which would be absolutely fire. What happened to bro? You shouldn't be using Top Step X, man. Project X is cooked, man. Project X is cooked, man. Why? Was it because it open or what? Ew, look at these candles. I have a hatred towards Top Step. Don't even get me started. Yeah, for real. Totally didn't go on Omega worst tilt of my life last year and lose like several figures worth of from Top Step. That was not good. Not good. Damn. So we got this 30-minute right here. If we inverse this 30-minute up, my DOL is going to be this LRLR here and this high here. So we got like 100 points worth in 2 30-second candles off nothing. So this PA is, again, the word I would use for this PA currently would be avoidable. So we're just gonna wait. What rank am I in RL? Like I'm like washed. I'm like champ 1, but I never play. Jay is better than me. Yeah, me and Jay go crazy, bro. That's so much fun. The only time we don't go crazy is when we're getting our ass kicked. Other than that, we go crazy every time. I usually log in each session. I usually log in each season, hit GC to get rewards, then stop playing. Yeah, that's how I used to be. Peak is like GC1, Div like 2 or 3. Looks like we might be working on inverse in this 30-minute, man. In which case, I probably wouldn't mind if we inverse this 30, come up, take these highs, right? Tap into this Sibi right here and get a short to try and target all this LRLR. So now that I'm seeing, so earlier I said my dream reaction or my dream scenario would be if we swept these lows and got along, right? But now after watching for the first few minutes, now I'm like, okay, well, maybe we use news to manipulate up and sweep these highs. We news at 10. We sweep these highs, and then maybe we get a short off the reaction. I don't know how to use Tradeovate. Bro, what do you mean? Did you know how to use Project X before you started using it? No, you have to use it to learn how to use it. Silly goober. Yeah, this is pumping. So definitely we're pushing up for these highs now, it looks like. Kind of cool to do this with no entry. It's usually how I like to start the week, you know. Or hear me out. We don't just pump and we actually get a setup today. do have this little 1 minute gap here, right? If we inverse this, I would imagine it would be good to send us to these lows here. I'm not touching shit before news, so if you want to try that, that's on you. I'm not doing that. I'm not touching any of this shit until after news. This week's gonna be interesting, man. For real. There's a lot of news this week. For some reason, we have like a Powell speech at 5:00 today. It's so weird. But this 1 minute inverse, if you don't care about news and you had a lot of conviction, you could have tried that. You'd probably be good to this low right here. But I don't do pre-news conviction. Yeah, that's so weird. Bro's speaking at 5:00. Like, maybe Asia session will be weird, or maybe Asia session will be decent. So it would have looked like this. Entry would have been there. So there's the BE / take profit. Probably good to this low. Type 1 if you took that. Cool. Nobody has to get banned. That was a trick question. Nobody should have taken that. So as easy of a read as that might have been, we're just not doing it, dude. Although very easy play there, to be honest. quick little scalperoonie. That would have been a scale break even / full TP, depending on how you handled it. But 26 points, not bad, not bad. Bro, I would have cried if people would have just started typing 1, bro. I would have been like, "Are you serious? What did we just talk about, fam? Come on." And we just said no. How many people in here are waiting on instructions for the giveaway? Have you entered a trade yet? No trades yet. Any views on DD's indicator? No, I haven't really used it. Damn. Looks like we might end up wanting to just sweep these lows before news, so that's cool. Thanks. But we left all these engineered highs up here, right? So we have all this LRLR. We have this nice wick. So if we do use news to sweep the lows, maybe we do get the long setup we were looking for. But apparently that 1 minute short was a banger. Yep. Good 50 points. If I have $40, should I give it a try? That's completely up to you. If it's like you want to try it out to maybe like use as confirmation when you're looking at a setup, it could be useful just to practice your recognition, like, hey, I think this looks good. Does the indicator alert it? Oh, cool. We're on the same page. I guess you could do that. Could be helpful. Look at the 11 a.m. 1 hour inverse from Wednesday. 11 a.m. 1 hour inverse. Oh, wait, you mean because this gap got inverse down? Is that what you're saying? Yeah. So I don't know if you saw in my commentary thing, but I posted, that I thought if we inversed this, that our draw was going to be down here. Or no, our draw would be the halt gap, which was right here. We blasted through the halt gap, and now we're just in this 30-minute. I know we inversed the 1 hour, right? So you're having me look at this, right? Right. Just use this box. You're having me look at this 1 hour, right? But if you zoom in on the 30, what do we got? A little bit more down here. So it's a little bit bigger. And back up. Is this 3-minute right here? We're getting closer and closer to news, so obviously it's kind of stupid, but based on from a mechanical standpoint, I could see this working to these highs up here. 30-second was not a good play, was it? Which one? Long? On this long? I mean, mechanically, yes, it does make sense, but again, guys, I'm chilling. I'm chilling for news. I don't care if this play triggers and works or doesn't work. It's gonna work without me because I'm waiting. I'm following my rules. This 3-minute does look good to run this LRLR, but I'm chilling, you guys. I'm chilling. I'm not gonna come back on a Friday and just start taking the first shit I see, or like a whole holiday week. But this is good momentum. We did have a sweep. Oops. No. I'm opening different charts. We have an SMT. We have these equal highs up here. So if it wasn't for news, I would be taking this. Probably. Got your delivery. Is this 15-minute here? So, yeah, if it wasn't for news, I would probably try this low-key. But, like I said, I'm not in a rush. So there's the 30, or the 3-minute inverse. Should be good till these highs. Right? But then, like, let's say that your target doesn't get hit and you're sitting in here trying to hit this TP and then news hits. You're not going to like that. And in fact, depending on the prop firms that you trade with, they might not like that either. So be careful. Took the 30-second bet on evals. Yeah. I have everything loaded up to copy trade, so I'm not doing like, oh, I'll try an eval play or I'll try a funded play. I'm doing one play and one play only on everything, and that's it. So that's why I'm being patient, because I want to wait for what I want, and the play I want is not going to be during news. Is there a new rule with Top Step? What do you mean? Took my one of the day. Fire. Oh, a news rule? Yeah, they don't let you trade news. Unless it's eval, probably. Eval, you're probably fine. But funded, it's a no-go. I mean, you should be. News is in 11 minutes. And like I said, if it's an eval, you should be okay. But that's up to you if you want to hold through news. Man, y'all crazy. Y'all are way braver than me, bro. I'm not. I'm not there. You got BE fire. It's probably a good thing. Like, dude, when this 3 minute inverse is with this much momentum and we have targets right here that's this close, we don't want to see this stalling, bro. This should just rip. Now we're in a macro too. Like, this shouldn't be stalling at all. Nah, I never logged into eval, so missed it. Nah. Listen, you can't always view stuff as you missed something, all right? Just tell yourself it wasn't your setup. It's all good. Okay, this month. See how choppy this is? This is what you're gonna get when you trade this close to news, right? Like, why would we just start ripping through liquidity 8 minutes before news? We're gonna engineer liquidity before news, and then the news will rip. If this does rip, cool, that's great. But I'm not taking that. Like, think about this. See how we get this sweep, right? We get this sweep. It's not very impressive, but we have a sweep, an SMT, we have delivery, we have FEG size, we have momentum. Yet here we are. This play has been up like just a tiny bit this whole time, right? So everything, the setup, as far as the setup goes, looked clean, but we have news coming, and that's what makes it not clean. Hope we don't run Asia before news. So now, if you were in this 3 minute, right now we've been in it for 6 minutes. It's not done shit. Okay, here we go. This should pop over this. Okay. There's that. TP on the 3 minute. We might be cooked, you guys. Straight up. Part of me feels like this might just continue up the rest of the day. Screw you, news. You meanie. Not cool, man. We're out here trying to make some money. $30-second long, best play so far. Yeah. It was good. And, like, yes, it ended up working, but we all know about hindsight, right? Like, any other day, this could just have totally been blasted. And I personally would just rather wait. But it's just me. And that's why I said, depending on your conviction and how you feel about it, you could try it. Said that about the 3 minute. Said that about the 1 minute short. So it's all just, you have to decide how you feel about the play at the end of the day. Like, what somebody else says about the play shouldn't really, if you like it, you should take it. Like, obviously you should take other people's feedback into consideration, but don't let it influence your gut feeling. Like, you trusting your gut feeling when it comes to trading is super important. It is for me anyway. Oh yeah, dude, I've wanted to take 3 trades already, but can't because I'm trying to follow my rules and just be patient and wait. But I wanted to take the 1 minute short and the 3 minute long. And there was a 3 minute short before market opened here that I wanted to try too. But like, I'm chilling. It's no big deal. It's 10 o'clock on a Monday. I got plenty of time this week. So we just took these highs. Now we've tapped into this 30 minute. Holding here. We got news coming out. We got this little 2 minute V-shape looking setup. Right? So it would be something like this. We got equal lows down here. We got an SMT down here. And we got LRLR. I got another swing low down here. So maybe we manipulate up to take the highs before news so that news can dump. That would be cool. That would be cool. And hey guys, if you feel like you missed out on something, trust me, don't think that way. Like, I might be flat, but we're sitting here reading the market just fine, right? Like, our tape reading is really good right now, and I'm fine with that. Wouldn't even know if I missed something, so I forgive. Guys, Jay is like my IRL friend that we haven't met yet, but we've just known each other so long that we're basically IRL friends. And he knows absolutely not a damn squatting thing about trading. So he's in here probably just like, what the hell's going on? Respect the grind, though. Bro was in the VC before I was, dude. He's ready to learn. So I respect the hell out of that. I just know we're waiting for news. Damn, that's crazy. We wait that long for news, and that's all it does. Not even a data wick. That's bullshit. See, and then you see that, and you're like, okay, well, if I would have known that's all it was gonna be, I would have took the 3-minute jerk. Like, okay, so no reaction. Cool. Now I know. Should have taken the 3-minute. Buzz off. Doji news for real. Well, play of the day so far is definitely that 30-second, but hindsight for me, I'm okay that I didn't take it. It's fine. No big deal. Man, this is really like choppy as hell. So just inverse this 30-minute that's been holding price down a lot. Tapped into this 1 hour. No inverse there on the 2-minute. Kind of lame. I was like really liking that momentum for a sec. But maybe this candle gives us our little doji sandwich, and then we get a OB down with the close. You know, it's either that or we're just on the wrong side of the market right now, and we're bullish as shit. Which 30-minute does look like that. Yeah, the 4 hour. I mean, it looks like we're just working on our stair step back to all-time highs, right? Because we like dumped straight down, swept all this, swept this low here, got an SMT way down here, and we're just doing this. Like, it looks like we're just stair stepping back to all-time highs right now. So, right. Well, from now on, chat, we don't care about red folder. If we're at least 5 minutes away from it and we get a setup, I'm gonna bang it. That's so lame. Yeah, there's a little tiny 5 minute here, but it looks like we might be putting in a 5 minute OB to continue higher. Yeah, be back. Okay. So this is good. I mean, we're not just flying straight up. So that's good. Whoa, Caroline. Whoa, whoa. It's Christmas. Will be. Imagine if we had gotten a bearish SMT somehow, but we didn't. So. Well, I just said we're not flying straight up, and then here we go. Cool. What's the date on Friday? 5th. Oh, bro, why did I do that? Sorry, I'm doing something. One sec, real quick. Sale ends on Wednesday for these Lucid Flex accounts, but I got another opportunity for you. I'm running a free Lucid Flex giveaway within my community, lasting from now till Friday. Here's all you have to do. All you have to do is like this post, comment the word Lucid, and be in the Discord on Friday. All right. So since we are kind of moving kind of slow right now, I will. Someone is using the rocket emoji. Someone's blowing on the bottom of the screen. All right. Instructions for the Lucid Flex giveaway. I'm going to ping right now. So, boom, right there. All you got to do is go to my TikTok on that post where the video is, like the post, comment the word Lucid, and that's it. If you don't comment the word Lucid, I can't put you in there. So go to the TikTok post, like the post, comment the word Lucid, and that's it. Yep, it's right here. TikTok is banned. Go like it on my YouTube instead. I have a YouTube short. That's the same post. You can do that one instead. Here, I'll send it to you right now, actually. If you don't have TikTok or can't do TikTok, then you could do it on my YouTube. That's fine. Comment the word Lucid. Like the post, comment the word Lucid. That's it. On TikTok or YouTube or my Instagram. All the links are in my socials channel. So I'll leave it. I don't need proof because I'm simply gonna go off of the names in the post. So if you don't comment the word Lucid, then I won't know who you are and if you liked it or not. So as long as you comment, then I'm gonna use everyone's usernames from the comment section. Okay, so then you should be good. And I'm gonna leave that open till Friday. So we'll do it on Friday in here. Because Friday we're not gonna do PM stream probably. I forgot to update the schedule, but Amy and I agreed that Fridays, since I'm going to be doing 2 streams a day, Fridays we're not going to do PM stream unless it's like really good. So we'll do the giveaway Friday during PM. But so we left these equal highs. Yeah, and then we're coming in down. So still no inverse on the 2-minute, which is pretty lame because I feel like it's going to work now. But if it doesn't, that's fine. You want to pull back to 50% of the leg to go higher? At this point, I'm just pretty much mixed. I could easily see us going either direction, honestly. Bet. I feel like this is like I feel like this is kind of starting to look a little cooked right now. It's possible that PM session is going to be. It's possible PM session is going to be the way. But we're not really doing much at this point. Bro, Jay just sent me the funniest meme. Dang, you guys, I might have played myself on that post. I posted it on 4 different things, and now I'm going to have to keep track of all of them. Fuck. I might have played myself on that post. I got you. We're going to have to sit down and go through them all together. You know, it'll be hard to keep track of 7 names. A's. Just roasting my exposure. No big deal. Hold up. Why is this there? Pull Luke Belmar and just keep doing the giveaway, but not giving a time of giving away. We're doing a giveaway. Like the post, like the post, like the post. 2 months later, and nobody won the account still. So did anyone ever get that account? Took a chance and went long, bullish on NQ. Yeah, I think I am too, honestly. What up, official panda? Giving away a McLaren? Bro, who the Dude, come on. I don't care who you are. Ain't no one giving away a McLaren, bro. Let's just be real. Come on. Ain't no way. A freaking McLaren giveaway for sure, dude. We also have, like, on this 2-minute, you can see down here, we also have this volume imbalance as well. I'd probably want us to close below that too. Even McLaren doesn't give away McLarens. Exactly. Yo, the most valid point ever has been dropped in the comments. That's crazy. Pull my chair forward. And there's this little 5-minute. Sweaty spaghetti. Sweaty spaghetti. Yes, Sweaty is indeed another RL player. That is facts. Sweaty spaghetti. Get sweaty in the rocket leg. Rocket leg? It's ma'am. It's ma'am to you. I'm sorry you put yourself through that. Someone doesn't want to play with me anymore. Bro, what? Bro just came in here to lie to everyone, all casually. Cool, man. Trying to build trust around my community, and you're in here just tossing out allegations. Awesome. Well, there's also a little 15-minute down here, too. I feel so mixed right now. Could probably do threes. 10 hours a day to 10 times a year. Dude, exactly. Bro, 10 hours a day is modest. Let's be real. We were playing so many. Nah, 10 hours was modest, bro. we were doing the COVID Rocket League grind, bro. That is like, as soon as we woke up, that's what we were doing till we got too tired to play. Arc Raiders. Part of me does like this 2-minute if we get the 2-minute and the 5 at the same time, but I don't know. I don't really like anything right now. I still remember us doing a 15-hour day and ending the day lower than where we started in rank. Exactly. Just win 1, lose 2, win 2, lose 3, win 3, lose 2, win 1, lose 4. Break even day on RL. Bro, I feel you, man. Just during COVID, it was like acceptable not to have a social life, so we were like, whatever. Let's do it. Revenge queuing. No way we lost again, bro. Cue that shit. Exactly, bro. Exactly. No 5-minute inverse. Whoa. No 2-minute inverse either. It's just dumping without us. Man, come on. Dude, that's some bullshit. Like, really? We're sitting here staring at the setup for like ever, and then it just does that without giving us a chance to take it. Like, now, do I want to get in with the entry down here? I don't know if I do. And just hope that we don't reverse after we hit this. So the 2-minute finally inversed, but it didn't close below that volume imbalance, right? Oh wait. Yeah, it did. So the 2-minute did close below this volume imbalance, but oh. Okay. You guys, we're not actually going to try and trade this right now, are we? Your event you made in the server messes up joining the live stream? Really? So you couldn't join the... That's weird. I mean, I could just close the event. Okay. Because actually the registration is over, so I'll just close that. So if you didn't get your name on the thing before I started, you're cooked. So far we've got... Ooh. We've got Dorado, Tom, Munchies, J Brown, Rhina, Summit, YNT, Sean, Sweaty, Sammy, Kiyoshi, Rusty, Javi, Yash, Nate, Jeremiah, and Fernando. Let's go, you guys. Dude, that's fire. Holy Chop Fest. I see why. Ready for some market making? Check this out. This candle right here is going to move. Come to me, my children. You got it now? Okay. I don't know what that even is. What? Oh, the accountability challenge? Don't worry about that. Looks like we might get this 5-minute and this little 15 maybe at the same time. So there's the 5-minute. This 15-minute just held by a few points. Guys, we're not getting any clean delivery right now, low key. Like, we're getting movement, but we're not getting any setups that are very clean. I don't like that. Like, everything that we look at to try and get into, it just, like, rips without us, or it barely, like, triggers by a tick, and then we don't get to take it. So, that's so lame. Got this little 4-minute that's trying to inverse too. Bet. Man, part of me wants to try this 4-minute, but I feel like I'm rushing because I just want to take something. Dude, what are these candles? This is garbage. This is like actually garbage. Oh wait, can you explain what it is exactly that you're looking for? Yeah, I'm looking for us to sweep a swing low or a swing high like this. See how we have this little swing low where we put in that little low and then came back up and then put in this high. So when I say swing lows and swing highs, I'm referring to things like this. Like this is a swing low. This is a swing high. This is a swing high, right? So what I'm looking for is us to have candle go down, sweep this swing low. We put in a fair value gap, which is when you have a candle where there's no wicks overlapping. So there's like a space here, right? So we get this sweep right here, meaning people are getting stopped out who are long because their stop loss is down here. And then we're catching this reversal because this gap gets inversed, meaning we have a candle that closes above this gap going the opposite direction. So like that would have been our entry for the day right there, but I was like not locked in enough, I guess. Or I was following my rules. I can't decide. Yeah, it's a lot. You have to start with the boot camp. Just start with the boot camp. None of that's going to make sense. Basically, the way the market moves is by stopping people out. So identifying these areas where people are getting stopped out and trying to reverse that and fade that is basically what we do. Dodgies. It's really good for if you know absolutely nothing. Yeah, if we get along from this, I don't think we're going to. I think this is going to come for the lows. So I would rather look for something like this. I'd rather us tap into this. Dude, it's so annoying seeing the entries that are going to work and not getting them. Whatever. Could have taken this once it did close, I guess, but. Okay, so we just tapped into this 30-second, which I like. Trying this 30-second.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Going BE there. Trying to go for 346. And I'm BE. Fuck. Well, that's frustrating. But oh well. Bro, that slippage is crazy. How's my gross 120 but my realized is $54? Bro, that's like $70 in commissions. What the hell? For one trade? Like, dude, what? Look at that. Like, okay. For sure. Whatever. So, I mean, even if this still works, I'm okay with that decision to go break even there because I was up like 16 points and it was looked like it was moving good. So it might be frustrating, but I stand by going break even right there because this candle could easily have kept going, right? And I'd rather have just played it safe. So there's the W Cope. Dang it, man. So there's our TP. This delivery is just dog shit. Yep, there's our TP. Fuck. Well, that was a really good alert. I feel frustrated that I got break even, so I'll probably just hop off till PM at this point. Dude, that's so unfortunate, man. When we got this little rip up right here, like that, dude was up 20 points. I thought there was no way that wasn't going to work. Like, I genuinely thought that once we pumped right here, I thought we would just get a little more impulse up, but oh well. Let's go off of our professional trader checklist. Was I patient for what I wanted? Yes. Did I follow my rules until I got the setup? Yes. Did I manage the setup how I thought that I should manage the setup? Yes. The outcome doesn't matter. We've read the market beautifully this morning, even though it's not been delivering very clean. Haven't called out a loss. My target was just these little equal highs right here. Or no, this little swing high right here. So 346. So got BE'd just for it to hit after, but whatever. That happens. So yeah, gonna walk away for a few, and I'll be back live again for PM. So really, really hard to not be frustrated at that, but it happens.